850 pips on Dow Jones US30. Some of you might think that this is not possible, this is unrealistic, but this is actually possible if you know what you're doing. I literally caught 850 pips on US30 on the 4-hour time frame. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not the first time, so it's not new to me, but stay with me, guys. Let's dive into it. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. This channel is all about sharing strong technical tools that's going to enhance and recalibrate how you trade this market. Is US30 and the 4-hour time frame. If this video are videos that you like seeing, you like my channel, you like videos that I'm sending out there, just don't forget to subscribe. Without wasting much of your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's dive into it. So now let me unveil my chart, and this is my chart, and there's the trade, and this is on 4-hour time frame. You can literally see everything is live, and the market is literally closed as of the time recording this video. You've been asking yourself, what are all these things? What is this guy doing? How are you saying this? And guys, you're not going to understand this thing, and I'm not here to show you guys the strategy behind it. I'm just here to walk you guys through how I took it, when I took it, and literally what is currently happening right now. So now let me open a plain chart. Okay, so there is a plain chart on US30 and this on Pepperstone. Okay, 4-hour time frame trading view. So this is what happened. So on the daily time frame, what I saw, okay, this is just price action. I saw that market was acting as a resistance around this level, and around this level, and around this level, and around this level. And I asked myself, for how long has this market been holding as a resistance? For how long? And what is making price to held here as a resistance since last year November? What is happening? What was there? What was there? So I found out that it was around psychological level of 44,000. This is around psychological level. Okay, I have it on my master charts. So I have it on my master charts. Okay, so this was the reason why price was holding strongly as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance. I'm like, oh, this resistance has been holding for too long. Maybe it is time for us to break out. Okay, so I'm not using feelings to trade the market. Okay, I'm using strategy to trade the market. So on the 4-hour time frame, I came out to the 4-hour time frame. So this is just a heads up. Chart pattern will outweigh whatsoever strategy you're trading in the market. If you think this is a joke, guys, go check my previous video. I talked about BTC USD dropping for 1,000 pips, but I held for 950 pips. BTC USD live. Go check my video out there. I think I'm going to be leaving, what's it called? A link to go watch that video. Some people didn't even watch the video. They think that, oh, this guy is just claiming stuff. But now I'm doing it again. Okay, so I saw this wedge formation. Okay, this wedge formation, and again this wedge formation. So guys, I'm not here to teach you guys a strategy. Okay, if you want to learn it, it's not like I'm hiding anything. I'm recording my screen right here. I'm not showing my face, but I want you guys to focus. So if you are a 9-to-5 guy, okay, you don't have that time to be looking at the chart all the time, this strategy is for you. Okay, this strategy is for you. And if you also have other businesses that you're running, this strategy is for you. If you don't have the patience all the time to be looking at the chart every thick and thin, strategy is for you. Strategy is actually for you. So use the link in the description down below to contact me, okay, so we can get started. So I saw this wedge formation right here, and the next thing I do, I just have to go to the 1-hour time frame. Actually, there are other conferences that I saw, but I don't want to say a lot about those things right here. So I was here on the 1-hour time frame, and I get my buy position after this engulfing candle right here. My stop losses is not something I'm going to be saying on this video, but then again, this is what literally happened on the daily time frame. After we saw this huge resistance right here, looking far back, where is the next resistance? There is none. There is none on US30. On US30, as of the time making this video, I think this is 2025 8 24, which is the day is 24, 8 is the month, and 2025 is the year. Yeah, it's the year. Sorry guys. So at the time of making this video, there is no other resistance aside this resistance that we're holding at around psychological level of 45,000. Okay, so 45,000. So this is the round psychological level, 45,000. So as of the time making this video, this was the only resistance in this market, which is on this market is the only resistance. So I see that if we're breaking, we're going to surpass this level. We're going to break higher. Where next? That's the question. Since there is no physical resistance level right there, let's look at another round psychological level of 65,000 or 46,000. So I plot another psychological level of 46,000, 46,000. So there we go. So you can see, let's go on the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, guys. So you can see that from this psychological level to the next psychological level is 1,000 pips. Okay, it's 1,000 pips. So that's how I plot them. I think I'm reviewing some things right here. So this is 1,000 pips. This is not 10,000. No, this is not 10,000. No, Agba mentor. It's not 10,000. No, it's 1,000 pips. Okay. Since there is no physical resistance level, let's take price back to 46,000 on US30 around psychological level. You can see we're currently running in good profit. So as of the time that price was around, as of the time that the market was around 750 pip, I took, I think, 30% of the market because I'm swinging this move and I let the remaining one to ride. And now the market is currently running. But this Sunday, since I'm swing trading, I can also hold this trade for as long as I can. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is how I caught 850 pip trading US30, and the market is still riding currently. So if you want to learn how I do this stuff, okay, this is just a short video. If you want to learn how I do this stuff, if you want to learn how to swing trading profitably, if you want to learn how to catch such kind of huge move in the market, not worrying about every slight retracement in the market, guys, use the link in the description down below. If you like this sort of content, guys, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you on the next one. Bye for now.